Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the third question in exercise 3.1. Now let us look at the question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So they have given 5 subdivisions. Let us see how to solve it one by one. So let us take the first case. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So let us calculate the A1 by A2, the B1 by B2 and the C1 by C2 values first. So the A1 value is going to be 3. So the B1 A2 is 2. So I'm marking that as 3 by 2 here. B1 is going to be 2, B2 is minus 3, C1 is 5 and C2 is 7. So we can see that A1 is definitely not equal to B1 by B2. This means the two lines will have a unique solution. The lines will intersect each other at one point. Therefore, the lines are consistent. So when do we call two lines as consistent? When either they have a unique solution or if they have infinite solutions. As long as they have solutions, we call the two lines as consistent. If they are not having any solutions, then we will call them as inconsistent. Now let us take the second equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So let us calculate the A1 and A2 values for this particular equation. So it is 2 by 4, then B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 6, C1 by C2 is 8 by 9. So if you see, A1 by A2's 2 by 4 can be simplified as 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 6. On simplification is another 1 by 2. 8 by 9 is as such, which means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but it is not equal to C1 by C2. So graphically, it means that the two lines are parallel, so they never meet each other. So they have no solution, which means these two lines are inconsistent. Okay, so only if there are some solutions, at least one solution, we call the line as consistent. Now let us take the third equation. So the equation here is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. And the second equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Now let's calculate the A1 by A2. So it is 3 by 2 by 9. B1 by B2 is 5 by 3 by minus 10. C1 by C2 is 7 by 14. So if you simplify this will be 3 by 18, which is 1 by 6. This will be 5 by 30. So this is going to be, there is a minus sign, so it becomes minus 1 by 6 and this is 1 by 2. So this tells you that A1 is not equal to B1 by B2, which means these two lines will intersect at exactly one point. So the two lines are consistent. Okay. Now let us take the fourth equation in this case. The equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. So now let's again calculate the A1 by A2, which is 5 by minus 10 minus 3 by 6, 11 by minus 22. If you simplify each cases, all values pertain to minus 1 by 2, which means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This means there are infinite solutions if you plot these 2 points. Therefore, the two lines are still called consistent. Okay. Now let's look at the last equation to simplify and see what kind of a lines these are. So the lines equation is going to be 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So let's calculate the a1 by a2, which is 4 by 3 by 2. This is 2 by 3 and this is 8 by 12. So when you simplify 4 by 3 by 2, it is actually 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. So another 2 by 3, 8 and 12 you simplify, this becomes another 2 by 3. So what happens? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This means the two lines have infinite number of solutions. Since they have solutions, we call these two lines as consistent. Okay, so in each cases to check the consistency or inconsistency, calculate the value of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 and see if they have at least one solution. If one or many solutions exist between the two lines, then those lines are called consistent. If there is no solution between the two lines, then the line is called inconsistent. In the next video, we will see how to solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.